Students, how are you all? Welcome to the next lecture for this chapter, time and temperature. Today we are learning, that is calculating duration. Okay, now for calculating duration we are going to solve exercise 11.2. In this exercise we are going to see find the sum of 4 hour 40 minutes plus 6 hour 10 minutes. Now students, we have to add them as normally we are adding whole numbers. So 40 plus 10 gives me 50 and 6 plus 4 gives me 10 hour. So what will be your answer? 10 hour 50 minutes. Now what next example says? 3 years 8 months plus 2 years 5 months. Now students, 8 plus 5 gives me 13 months and 3 plus 2 gives me 5 years. Now observe students, these are 13 months. Now 13 months are more than 12 because 1 year is equal to 12 months. Then what you have to do? You have to just split up them into the conversion, standard conversion, 12 plus 1, because 12 months is equal to 1 year and what is left, that will be 1. Now this 12 months is equal to 1 year, which will be added here with 5 years, which is going to add with 5 years. So 5 plus 1 gives me 6. And this 1 month will come down as it is. Understood? So answer will be 6 years 1 month instead of writing down 5 years 13 months, because that is not a standard form. Okay, the answer should be always less than 12 months because 12 months is equal to 1 year. Now what does next example says? 2 hours 25 minutes plus 3 hours 50 minutes. Again when we are adding, it is 7, that is 75 minutes, and again what we can say, this is not a standard form because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So again we have to write down in the standardized form. So it will be 60 plus 15. Now 60 minutes will be 1 hour. Yes, this 1 hour will be getting added with this 5 and this 15 will come down. So what will be your next step? It will be 5 plus 1, 6 hours and 15 will come down as 15 minutes. Understood? Moving ahead, next is example number 4. 1 year 11 months plus 1 year 10 months. Now when we are adding, here it is coming 2 years 21 months. Now is 21 months a standard form? No, because 1 year is equal to 12 months. Now again how we have to write it down? This 21 will be split up into 12 plus 9. Because 12 months is equal to 1 year, this 1 will be getting added to this 2 and this 9 will come down. So it will be 2 plus 1 as 3 years and it will be 9 months. Moving ahead next on to the example 5 hours 45 minutes plus 55 minutes. So it will be again 100 minutes and 5 years. Again 100 minutes is not a standard form because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. How you can split this 100 into 60 plus 40? Now see students, we have to write down the standard one and how much more is added to the standard one, because that standard is going to be in a higher unit. So this 60 is equal to 1 hour. So again what will happen? This 1 hour will be added into 5 years and this 40 will come down. Okay, so what will be your answer? 6 hours 40 minutes. Now what next example says? 11 years plus 7 months plus 14 years 5 months. Again 7 plus 5 gives me 12 months. Again it's a standard form, that is 1 year is equal to 12 months. So this 12 months is equal to 1 year, which is getting added with 25 and final answer will be 26 years. Nothing will come in minutes. Understood? Moving ahead next on to question number B. Find the difference. Just now we have added, now we are finding out the difference. Now 8 hours 50 minutes minus 6 hours 35 minutes. Now 50 minus 35 gives me 15 and 8 minus 6 gives me 2 hours. Okay. Now next question says 8 years 6 months minus 2 years 4 months. So we are subtracting as a whole number. 6 minus 4 gives me 2 months and 8 minus 2 gives me 6 years. What is next example? 10 hour 20 minutes minus 4 hour 45 minutes. Now see students, I cannot subtract this 45 from 20. Now what I have to do? I have to take 1 hour from here. So this 10 will become 9. And when I am taking 1 hour, its conversion into minutes is 60 minutes. So here instead of 60, I will write down 80 because this 60 is getting added to this 80 and this becomes this 60 is getting added to this 20 and this 20 becomes 80. Understood? We have taken 1 hour from here. So 80 minus 45 gives me 35 and 9 minus 4 gives me 5. So my answer will be 5 hours 35 minutes. Understood? Now 11 years 3 months minus 5 years 8 months. Again I cannot subtract this 8 from 3. So what I have to do? I have to borrow 1 year, and 1 year is equal to 12 months, which is getting added to this 3 months. So 11 will become 10 and 12 months will be added to this 3 and 3 becomes 15. 12 plus 3 becomes 15 months and 15 minus 8 gives me 7 months and 10 minus 5 gives me 5 years. Moving on to the next example, example number 5. 7 hours 5 minutes minus 5 years 45 minutes. Again I cannot subtract this 45 from 5, so I have to borrow 1 hour, and this 7 will become 6 hours, and then this 5 will become 60 plus 5, that is 65, as 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now 65 minus 45 becomes 20 and 6 minus 5 will become 1 hour. Understood? Now next is 3 years 2 months minus 2 years 7 months. Again I cannot subtract this 7 from 2. What I have to do? I have to borrow 1 from, yes, 1 year from here. So it is 2 years, and then this 2 will become 12 plus 2 becomes 14. 14 minus 7 gives me final answer as 7 months, and 2 minus 2 is 0 years. That is 7 months will be your final answer. Now students, this is the way in which you have to try all these examples. I request you all to solve these examples by your own in rough copy, and then whenever I will be sending you study material, then you make a note of it in study material by observing video. Do not look into the study material and just copy it down, understand, solve, and then cross check. Doesn't matter if you are committing a mistake, do it again. That will give you a nice practice of this calculations of time periods. Okay, till then, bye bye. Thank you.